The indispensable role of law in human society. Law, a complex system of rules and regulations governing human behavior, is an integral component of any civilized society. It serves as a cornerstone for maintaining order, justice, and the fundamental rights of individuals. From the ancient civilizations of Mesopotamia to the modern globalized world, the importance of law has remained unwavering. This essay will explore the multifaceted role of law in human society, examining its functions, benefits, and challenges. At its core, law serves as a framework for regulating human interactions. It defines acceptable and unacceptable behaviors, establishes standards for conduct, and provides a mechanism for resolving disputes. By setting clear boundaries and expectations, law helps to prevent chaos and maintain social harmony. It ensures that individuals can live their lives without fear of arbitrary interference or harm. One of the primary functions of law is to protect the rights and freedoms of individuals. Constitutions, charters, and other legal documents enshrine fundamental rights such as freedom of speech, religion, assembly, and the right to a fair trial. These rights are essential for the development of a just and equitable society. By safeguarding these freedoms, law empowers individuals to participate fully in civic life and pursue their goals without undue restrictions. Furthermore, law plays a crucial role in promoting economic development and social progress. It provides a stable and predictable environment that encourages investment, trade, and innovation. Clear and enforceable laws protect property rights, facilitate contracts, and resolve disputes efficiently. This legal certainty is essential for creating a business-friendly climate and attracting foreign investment. Additionally, law can be used to address social issues such as inequality, discrimination, and poverty by enacting legislation that promotes social justice and equality of opportunity. However, the implementation of law is not without its challenges. One of the most significant obstacles is the potential for abuse of power. Governments may enact laws that restrict individual freedoms or discriminate against certain groups. Corruption and bribery can undermine the rule of law and erode public trust in legal institutions. Moreover, the interpretation and application of law can be complex and subjective, leading to differing opinions and potential injustices. To address these challenges, it is essential to ensure that laws are just, fair, and equitable. This requires a transparent and accountable legal system that is free from corruption and bias. Public participation in the lawmaking process is also crucial for ensuring that laws reflect the needs and values of the people they serve. Additionally, education and awareness about the law are essential for promoting respect for the rule of law and ensuring that individuals understand their rights and responsibilities. In conclusion, law plays a vital role in human society. It provides a framework for regulating behavior, protects individual rights, promotes economic development, and addresses social issues. While the implementation of law can be challenging, it is essential to strive for a just, fair, and equitable legal system that serves the needs of all. By upholding the rule of law, we can create a more harmonious, prosperous, and just society.